How much are you rate the ring light out of 10?
10 out of 10!
What's good, YouTube? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Yanieki. Do not forget to subscribe. Guys, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for joining my journey on this. So guys, as you can see down below in the title, here girl got her package. And like I'm super excited about the package I know. Because I've been wanting this ever since I start YouTube. I just want one Neewer ring light. And it's here. Very thankful for it. This has been on my wish list, Christmas list, birthday list. All of the lists that one could think of, I placed it on it. So finally got it. And I'm super excited to like unbox this with you guys. Guys, I'm gonna start to like cut. I'm sweating because if I turn on the fan, I'm gonna hear the noise in the background. I'm gonna try to avoid that. So yeah, my good little not even not talking road enough. I don't know what's he girl on the road, you know. But somebody on the road and I'm gonna think about your girl a big YouTube, you know. Cause the girl get you Neewer ring light. So let's do this. Guys, the package is so big. Like, I'm showing you y'all. Oh my god. You're a big YouTuber now. Watch Neewer ring lights. Oh god. Jesus. It's a big box now. Here comes my baby, my new baby. Alright, so I'm search them for tonight. I watched the review, so I kind of know to pull the box. We do want station card now. Station me do want to hear card them now. Alright, so guys, I'm taking it out of the box. Oh my god. This is my new baby, guys. My brand new baby. So guys, in the box I get a light stand. Alright, y'all can't see the title. I'm giving a little review as well. In the bag, what's in the bag, what's in the bag. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna pull them one down and show. You know how excited I am about this package. Like, I've been wanting this. Like, I've been wanting this. Jesus. Oh my god. Like, this just one of the best station I'm ready to say no, guys. Y'all don't even understand. So guys, it comes with this bag, and in the bag it has the ring light, which is right here. It comes with a light stand, as I said before. So this is the light stand. I'm looking at the bag. Alright. Guys, if you're not hearing nobody in the background, I don't live alone. I'm not gonna hear the dog because I'm very disrespectful. You know? Just have to talk when I do my video. Or bark when I do my video, I should say. Well, and say, it's so wet, guys. Like, I'm sweaty. I'm ready to stand a bit because I don't even want it for break. Because the girl don't want to cry. Me do want to have to cry sometimes. Oh god, so in this bag, guys, it comes with, I don't really know what to call it, but it comes with some stuff. I'm gonna try to figure it out. No worry myself. May I try to figure it. Boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Why does the skin out so? Behave yourself, please. Do me a big let me tighten you up. Come on, know why you want skin right out. Ugh. So guys, this is the stand. And I'm guessing these are what's going to make it high. Alright, so before I figure them out, let's pull this out of the box. So guys, it comes with a charger. It comes with the part that the phone's supposed to go in. And it comes with the remote. I'm currently using a tripod. It also comes with a remote. So I started with a tripod. I know your girl got a tripod and a ring light, and I'm super excited. It comes with the warm light setting and also the regular lights. I'm not sure what I'm calling it, and it comes with some customer service contacts and all of that. Alright, so guys, we're just excited, so we don't even know what to say. And literally, I don't even know if I show myself on camera. I'm going to the doctor and like, I'm gonna put in that clip with me. I try for hurry up before the shipping company close. Like, you don't want to see me. My face is a mess as well. And it's going to show you another video. So guys, it's like 4:40 something. I don't even know. And the shipping company I'm use closes at 5. I'm going to try to catch them. I'm going to show you how tall it can get. I'm tall, so when I tell them to say it reach me this so want to believe me. Okay. Guys, I'm tall. I'm 6 feet, and when I tell them to say this past me, like I don't even want to hold this too close to my face because my face isn't giving. It's giving all of my face I give right now acne and dark spots. I'm gonna like that right now, so this is the length of it. Oh my god. This is it, guys. This is it. And I'ma just try to put up. You see, because I'm using the tripod, I can't show, I don't think I'm not going to see the full setup, but I really want to know if I see it, so I'm going to try to catch the phone somewhere or turn the phone on front camera so I can see the setup, okay? Guys, right now this comes like an experiment. I'm trying to figure out what I'm supposed to do. So these are the lights. I'm I'm not quite sure what I'm supposed to do, but I'm gonna figure this out. I guess it's like a puzzle. I'm gonna try to figure it out. Okay, guys. People must smart, you know. Must smart. Just that. Me smart. You know this. Like, I did wonder. Oh, it put on because I don't want to get it. I don't want to break it on me. So, but I here take my look at time. I must say, yeah, this I got this so. And that's for go here. So, I'm going to go and do my thing. I'm going to do my thing, people. So guys, I finally placed everything together. This one was giving me a little bit of trouble, but I fixed it. I think. Guys, if you use the manual, you know, don't be like me. The people them send the manual, I'm not read it. I don't know, warm to Yanieki. Okay guys, I know some hardly, I'm just hardly talking about this. So about I'm talking. So guys, it's complete. It's so tall. It's super tall. Don't watch my towel. It's really tall. I literally bring it down to how tall it is. And I didn't put on this piece on it. Well, I didn't put this piece on it, and it's extremely tall. So guys, I'm going to test out the light. I connected the charger part to this. At first I was connecting something else. Like, that wasn't it. So I'm gonna plug it in and let y'all see how the light is. I haven't placed the part where the phone is supposed to go, but I'ma just see how this light is. Woo! 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 Like, listen, I'ma turn around and show y'all. Turn up, like I'm excited. I'm super excited about this. Oh god. So guys, I'm going to turn off the light and y'all see how bright it is. Guys, the lights in my room completely off. Like it's like a little switch that you turn. I'ma turn it off. This is how my room is right now because I turned off the light. Now I'ma turn it back on. Let there be lights. Oh my god. Literally, my room light is off. Guys, this is a perfect light to get to do your videos. Like, literally, this light is worth it. I don't think I'm going to try the warm light. Probably I should, but I'ma figure out how the whole part where the phone's supposed to go on is supposed to go, because I'm not sure about that. But I'ma turn on back the light because in here is dark and such and such. So guys, I'm going to try and figure out how to set up the part where my phone's supposed to go, because I have no idea what to do. And best believe, I'm gonna read the manual, but I'm watching YouTube. Okay guys, so I finally figured out how the phone's supposed to be. How the phone's supposed to attach on this. So I've been watching reviews myself and like I'm hearing them say them not really trust how it is. I wish they actually had something that could actually hold like this part, because it's like this. You see? So like out of everything, I'd probably give it a 9.5 because of this. Just this alone that I'm take a 5 marks off of it. I'm not sure. I'm not seeing anything else in the box that's supposed to go there. So, you know, I'm gonna show you guys the warm light with the warm light. So, yeah.
Get this.
You guys don't worry about my camera. I'm gonna show you guys the warm light. I don't want to take my word from almost So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the warm light, and then I'm gonna end this video off because I think I'm done experiment for the night. Yes, sir. I'm gonna show you guys the warm light, how it looks, and all of that. Y'all see my niece's reaction, like that's my reaction. It's priceless. Up to now, she still a react to it. Come with this here.
But not my ear dirty.
But them done see already. Might as well come in the way your ear dirty. How much you rate the ring light out of 10?
10 out of 10.
So guys, now we're going to test out the warm light to see how it looks. No, people, my knees extra bad. Extra bad. This is a noise. Zai, come lock off the light for me.
Lie.
Remember saying that to Will. So do me a again, but I come with that video.
Some nice people, some so you understand more than.
And I look up.
Go turn off the light, ma'am. You turn off? So guys, this is it when the light is off. I'm gonna try to do a face to you, man. Yeah. Thank you so much to my cousin who bought this ring light for me. Yeah. And such, I really appreciate this. And words can't express how much I am grateful for this. Guys, if you are here and you are yet to subscribe, please to do so now. Like, why not subscribe it? Guys, subscribe.
This makes you feel happy, so she has this now. So she not feel